Hi Lisa, I just wanted to create a quick video to show you how to create a blog post on your site. Let's start by logging into the WordPress administration area. So type wp-admin into your site title. And this takes us to the login screen. So you put your username and password. I have saved my login details using an application called LastPass. Okay, here we are. This is the main dashboard screen with your Google Analytics. So you get to see some traffic over the site, a little bit of detail about where people were coming from. Okay, so we're going to create a new post up here in the upper left. Here's a list of all the blog posts so far. I've added in a couple of posts which will have instructions, for example, how to create a blog post, which is what this video is all about. These are marked to private, so nobody will see them on your blog listing. Okay, so let's start. We'll create a new post. Add a title. Add some text. And we don't want this to be public just yet, so we're going to make this private too for now. Okay, so visibility is private up here, and we're going to save our work. And we can preview it. Okay, so here's a pretty basic blog post, not too much interesting going on. And let's see what it looks like on the blog post listing. So you'll see the previous posts here. Oh, here's all the details. Ignore those. The previous posts have nice short summaries with a little read more link. So let's apply that to this post here. So pretty simple. We're in visual editing mode. We put our cursor where we want the break to go, and we click this little hamburger icon here. Insert more. And this is what it looks like. Let's save our changes. Preview. Okay, so as far as we can tell, in the actual blog post, it makes no difference. But if we go to the blog listing page, you'll see it's nice and short. The pin it button for Pinterest is automatically added in, by the way. All right, so this is what the blog post looks like. Why don't we add an image? Okay, so let's add an image right here in the second paragraph. We go here to the Add Media button, and we have a couple of options. These are all the images that we've uploaded before. If we click this button here, this button here, upload, we can just drag and drop or select this button to navigate to an image that we have. In this case, we already have one uploaded, so we'll check this one. And then we want this button down here, insert into post. Okay, great. It's appeared. We're going to update. And let's preview it. Oh, nice image. It would be nice though if the text here would wrap around the image, because this is a little bit thin. So let's do that. Okay, so right here, after the photo in the blog text, we're going up to this button here, insert shortcode, and we're going to add this little thing called clear, and then a line space. And what this does, it tells WordPress to move the text below the image. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, great. Now we have the text below. And one more thing, what about a caption? All right, so let's insert our caption here. Type some text. Add a paragraph space. And then what we're going to do well, actually, let's see what this looks like. We don't have to save it. We can just preview it. All right, so this just looks like plain text. So the secret to styling this to a caption is over here. We're going to scroll down to this thing called heading 6 and update. And let's preview it. Okay, and here we are. It doesn't look like that in the editor, but you can see that it's styled. And just to be sure, we can go back down and it'll say heading 6. Okay, great. A couple of other things. If you are in here, just make sure that the author is set to Lisa, unless you want my name on it. One more thing is make sure the category is set to interior design, at least as a default, unless you want to add another category. And you might want to add in some tags to make it easier for people to search. So we'll call this living room. And you just add here. Or you can choose from some recent tags that we've added in, for example, Emmy. That's it. Just update and preview. Okay, now you'll see it was written by Lisa. These are the tags that we just added. And the categories right now are interior design. And that's pretty much it for a blog post. There's a few other things we can do. If you have any questions, give me a shout. Thanks.